This Coldwell Banker Lake Oconee Realty / Lake Country property video is presented by Stacy Hutchinson. Truly a property that must be seen, a remarkable, quality renovation, top to bottom. Owner is artist, and it shows in the choice of finishes and flair throughout this modern rustic lakefront home. Main level boasts open floor plan with Lake Oconee views from every room, 10+ ceilings, fabulous kitchen / keeping room with upscale appliances, fixtures, and fireplace, stunning great room showcasing wall of windows, built-ins, and impressive fireplace, luxurious master bedroom, bath, and closet systems. Terrace level features 10 ceilings, family room with wet bar, wood-burning fireplace, built-ins, 3 generous bedrooms, 2 baths. Need more space? Huge partially finished bonus room over 3-car garage. Max dock with boat lifts and 2 jet